Now, Amaechi came and also had his own program in agriculture. People are aware of the famous Shanghai farm that we had in this state. It was comparable to the one that we had the prototype or the original idea of it. It was comparable to it because people, including the governor then, had to visit the site, the farm, and replicated what they saw in River State. I'm sure you would know about the Shanghai farm. I used to tell you that if at the point we were using some of our ESCO meetings, we leave Port Harcourt and go to very, very comfortable. I still, if I go there and I don't know whether the roofs are fallen, I could still tell you this is my own apartment. I was staying opposite the deputy governor apartment. So there are apartments that commissioners and cabinet members were given if we go there for state ESCO, or we go there for, what do people call it now? We go there for seminar or whatever.
Retreat.
Yes, retreat. It was a beautiful sight to behold. You leave the area where the houses are and now go to the farm. And you want to say, it's just a case of you are very close to nature. It was that good. Yes, for whatever it is worth. Governor Wike ignored it. And I think I was one of the persons that asked him, why did you have to ignore this project? And to be fair to him, there were no documentations. There were not what? No documentations. All of those things and most of those things were done without documentation.